I always wanted to be a public defender, and I've always been a member of the ABA. I joined the American Bar Association when I was in law school and was very active in the law student division. And then from there went to YLD, Young Lawyers. And then when I graduated from Young Lawyers, I joined the criminal justice section, first of all, because it was my primary interest. And it was where I found a lot of people who had interests like I did. I found it really helpful to my practice as a public defender because I got access to people on a national level who were nationally known, talked about cutting-edge topics, and it was really interesting. And even though the section is made up of judges and lawyers and academics and defense counsel, we all sort of come together in a consensus when we have to represent the section before the ABA. So it's really very interesting how that consensus is made. I've served as chair of defense function for several years. I was chair of practice management, and I'm now chair of women in criminal justice. I've been really active with the ABA over the years. I'm in the House of Delegates, and I just find it fascinating. And even though I've left the formal practice of law, and I'm now out on my own, I'm doing pro bono work. I discovered when I left the practice, I thought I'd take some cases. And I thought I would just take a few, earn a little extra money, keep myself busy. Well, I very quickly discovered I hated asking clients for money. I'd never had to do it my entire career, and I didn't want to start. So I gave up asking for money and decided to do pro bono work only. And I'm having a ball. It's the best thing I've ever done. I know there are a lot of lawyers who join the ABA and don't join any sections or divisions, and I think that's just a complete waste of their money, because where the work is done and where the rubber hits the road is in the sections and divisions. Criminal justice section was the first thing I joined in the ABA once I finished with law student division. It gave me access to national speakers. It gave me programs that were on the cutting edge. It gave me a group of people that I found who were wonderful as mentors. And then when I worked my way up to chair of a committee, it gave me access to people in the division who were really supportive. Staff has been incredible. They want you to succeed, and they will give you every backing to succeed. And I've learned a tremendous amount that has really helped me in my practice, and things that I've taken back to the office that have helped other lawyers in the practice. And I hope I've encouraged them to join the ABA and to join the criminal justice section.